be talking about comprehension during reading.
So one way to do comprehension during reading is make connections. It is important to allow the student to make connections from the book that they are reading and prior knowledge. So an example of that is in this book, A Grand Old Tree. You can have the student make connections from this book to maybe a science lesson, seasons, anything along those lines. And it sharpens the student's focus and deepens their understanding.
Next, you need to ask questions. Throughout the book, you can ask questions about their own lives so they can incorporate the book into real life scenarios. Asking questions interests them throughout the book.
Another way is to figure out what's important. It is important to have story organizers so the student themselves can keep track of main characters, setting, things along those lines. And it's also used as a progress monitoring. So you can see to make sure the students are able to pick up on main characters, settings, and important events while reading.
Next, you need to inference. Ways you can do this is looking at the cover of the book and asking the students what you think the book's about, or by going through the book and looking at the pictures and asking what will happen next.
Another strategy to use during reading to improve comprehension is the post-it, a post-it note strategy. And this is when the student has post-it notes and they put them along inside the book, and it comes upon words they don't know or important ideas. So if a student's reading this, they could put a post-it note where flower is because it's a bolder print and it is bigger on the page. And the student can put anywhere along. They have a question about this, they think it is an important part, or they can even have post-it notes for words they don't know, such as boar fruit. If they don't know the word boar, they could put a post-it note. And this allows the student to look back to help comprehend. So they can look back at words they don't know, they can try to remember important parts or main ideas throughout the book.
The most important thing is to model good reading comprehension while reading. And you can do this by the teacher showing the students how they can we just like cut that part?
Yeah.
Can we do it? Okay.
Can we?
Yeah.
Okay, just go ahead.
So you can do this by showing the students how you comprehend during reading, like looking at the pictures, or like Abby said, looking at the bolded words. It'll help you comprehend. What else do I need to talk about?
So you just say like modeling. Modeling is one of the most important aspects to